Hey guys, what's up? I just got done cleaning the sucker that I caught in part 1. If I remember the parts that they go in. The sucker's in here soaking right now. Put 2 eggs in a bowl. I'm going to put flour in a bowl. And I'm trying something. I'm going to try half. I'm going to try half with this stuff. Corn muffin mix. And it's going to be interesting. I'm going to do half with regular flour. All purpose. So I'm not going to need a whole lot. So they're in the milk. That's the, I'm going to do equal amount of shakes of pepper, salt, and garlic, okay? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alrighty, we're gonna get this thing, this bad bitch a cooking. Hey, oh, sorry. Bad boy cooking. Sorry, guys. Well, I apologize. Alright, 5 shakes of salt. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. God bless me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, now we're going to do 4 shakes of garlic. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's done unless I find another thing I want to mix in it here. I'm going to use my hand here to mix that flour and stuff. Mix this stuff. Fish in there. We got 14 minutes of recording time. We're not going to use all of it, of course. What do we want? What do we want? Oh, we were looking for more seasonings. I don't feel like something spicy today, so I want to see what this is real quick. Nope, we're not using that. That stuff stinks. Do not like the smell of that. So, I changed my mind with the eggs. I already broke one, and I don't really feel like eggs today. Just gonna put them in one spot here. There we go. Here's my fridge. It's nice. It's beautiful. Now we're gonna go straight from here, straight from the milk. Half of them into here, then the other half into here, then right into the hot fryer whenever it's ready. Until then, we can watch the kitties. Hello there, kitties. Hello, guys. It's going to be my first time ever trying sucker. I had one. This is probably my 4th opportunity this year that I could have tried sucker. The other times, though, I decided just to use them as bait. That was out of Cazawaga. That was a great idea that I used as bait, because that day I caught my personal best bowfin. 27 inches long. Probably about 12 pounds. Honestly, I don't know. Maybe. My biggest fish right now is a carp. It was 35 inches long. Oh, God darn it. I'm just dropping everything in North America. I dropped some of my mom's chocolate milk. Anyways, my biggest fish was a 35-inch carp. Also, my heaviest fish, which is 19 pounds. Once again, it was a carp. Same fish, honestly. I don't know. Excuse me. You guys want to watch the kitty? Well, hey, I'm up here, dork. Hey, up here. Well, well. He's hiding. The cat has spotted the chocolate milk. She just spotted it. What are you doing? I love the kitties. Is the oil getting hot yet? How far down does this even go? I feel bad. That looks like it was recently filled up. I'm gonna poke the oil. You know what? That's a bad idea. I'm gonna put a little bit of flour in there. Not ready yet. I've changed my mind. Because that looks like good oil. I don't want to ruin any perfect oil. I know it's going to lower production. We're going to take this little pot here. Little pot. This used to be my pot. Hey guys, welcome back. I paused it because I had to clean out the pot. And I dipped half in flour and half in half in the corn, this jello stuff, Jiffy or whatever this is. I'm gonna turn it back up to high because it's not hot enough yet. Yeah, they all go. Look at the phone makes that look blue. That's actually hot red. I've never had suckers, so this will be interesting. Might put a little bit more salt on them afterwards. They come out. Paper towels, first time with paper towels. Suck up the fuckers. It's my first time. I don't usually do that because I can't ever find any. That's what the finished product looks like, my dudes. That's what's up. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna try a bite and then probably put it on a sandwich with some mustard. I love mustard fish sandwiches. And it seems to have quite a bit of bones in it. I noticed that while I was cutting it up. Doesn't look half bad, I guess. I mean, this is that's the corn flour here. I'll go ahead and try that. Try a little nibble of the corn flour here. I'll get that bone that I seen off, though. There's some bone. Well, if I'm going to use the corn flour again, I'm going to have to put a lot more salt in it. It's a little too sweet. Don't really like it.